Good afternoon. Today we're going to look at the word ancient. Can you repeat ancient? Ancient. Good job. What is ancient? Belonging to the distant past. Belonging to the distant past. Long time ago. Yes, a very long time ago. Awesome. Ancient. Pyramids. Ancient. Very old. These three things are ancient. Do you know this one? Good. Last one is from China. Do you know it? Awesome. The Terracotta Warriors. Ancient. Long ago. Can you draw me a picture of something that is ancient? Can you draw me a picture here of something that is ancient? Good. Very old. Can you tell me one sentence with ancient? Awesome. High five. Ancient or not ancient? Why? First picture. Good. Ancient. Second picture. iPhone. Not ancient. Awesome. Laptop. Ancient. Ancient again. Ancient. Last one. Not ancient. You're doing great. Fist bump it. Good job. For homework on ancient, think of 5 things that are ancient. Not the examples we did in class. You think of 5 more. Show me next time. Great job. See you soon.